Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated GIFs in Canva. Creating your very own animated GIFs can be a fun and easy way to spice up your social media posts or add a bit of personality to your digital content. Let's dive in and take this step-by-step journey together. First, head over to Canva's website. Once you're there, locate the Create option at the top of the homepage. Clicking on Create will open up a world of design possibilities. After clicking Create, notice the search bar that appears. Type in the word animated. This search will filter down the options to specifically include animated designs, making it easier for you to find exactly what you're looking for. Next, among the options that appear, find and click on Animated Social Media. This is a helpful preset in Canva that comes with templates designed specifically for creating engaging animations suited for social platforms. It's a terrific way to get a head start with some professional layouts and ideas. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to start personalizing your design. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see several tools at your disposal. Click on Elements. This is where you'll find a variety of graphic elements to enhance your design, including frames, shapes, and illustrations. Within Elements, focus on the sub-option called Stickers. Stickers are inherently animated, making them perfect for embellishing your design with movement. Browse through the options, and once you find a sticker that fits your vision, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. You can adjust its position and size as needed to fit your layout perfectly. Now, let's talk about timing. You can easily control how long each animated page lasts by adjusting the timeline. To do this, click and drag the edges of the timeline either left or right. This will increase or decrease the duration that a particular page remains visible, giving you complete control over your animation's rhythm and pacing. Once you're satisfied with the design and animation, it's time to preview your work. Click on the Preview button at the top of the Canva design menu to see how it looks in motion. When you're happy with the design, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on Share. This step is crucial as it allows you to export your creation in various formats. After clicking Share, select Download from the drop-down menu. This will prepare your file for export. To ensure your final product is a GIF, click on MP4 video in the download options and then change it to GIF. This simple change converts your animated design into the snappy GIF format we want. And there you have it. You just created a custom animated GIF right here in Canva,